My name is Alice, and I had uppers and lowers made by Derry Dental. The dentures that I had were quite old, and my gums have shrunk up a little bit, and they were very, very loose, especially the bottom ones. And I was very frustrated with them because you'd go to eat, the food would get under it, would hurt. They just wouldn't stay in right.
Alice came to us with a bag of dentures. There was a couple sets, and both sets had the same problem over and over again of fractures of the upper denture, split right in half. Her newest pair had a gap between the front teeth that she was really unhappy with. We wanted to get her in here as soon as possible and fix the gap and get her in a functioning pair of dentures so that she could eat and smile again.
Now that I have my new set of dentures, they are very comfortable. I can eat good. In fact, the first night I got them, I come home and I ate steak, and I hadn't had steak and I can't tell you how long. And I've been very happy with them ever since.